Hi, this is Jean Bourne, and I am going to show you how to access my Foundations Lab for our CSS 099 Week 6 material. You're going to come to your home page for our course page, and in the middle of that page is my Foundations Lab. When you click on that, it will take you to this website. This website says Stevens Henniger, so you make sure you're in the right place, and you're going to type in your username and password. Your username is the same username that you use for Stevens Henniger, and your password is also the same as for Stevens Henniger. If for some reason your password doesn't work, you can try the password education with no capitals, just all lowercase, and that should get you in. You click on sign in, and that will pull up this page that says My Foundations Lab Math. You'll have actually, I believe, 3 classes on here. One is My Foundations Math and Writing, Reading and Writing, or English. Then there's a Math Foundations, or My Foundations Math. And then there's this one that says CSS 099 Mod 1.5. You are going to click on that one. When you get to this main screen, the first thing you're going to do is to do the My Foundations Lab browser check. That's only if you haven't done that before. I know some of you have done this in your Sci 101 class. So if you've already done the My Foundations Lab browser check, then you don't need to do it again. But this is what this one looks like. It's going to check and make sure that I have all the right plugins and everything I need to run this assignment or run this program. It says that I am good, so I push done. Then I'm going to come up here to take pretest. I take a pretest for the topic. And then there are a whole bunch of tests you could take. And you can come back and do these another time. But what you want to take is the CSS 099 comprehensive test. Now, I've already taken this test, so it will tell me I can't take it again. But when you click on this, it will pull up your test and you can take it. When you're done with your test, you can go back to your main page and you can come up to Work Study Plan. And you're going to open your study plan. And what this will do is on here, it will, I can do show all or I can do show what I need to study. Whichever you want. So I didn't do so hot on my whole numbers, fractions, and mixed number. No. Decimals, ratio, proportion, and what was it on statistics and probability. So I didn't even get tested on fractions and mixed numbers, so there's nothing there. I'm going to come here to whole numbers. And did I click on it? Oh, I have to click on one of these things down here. I'm going to go to adding whole numbers. And I can do any one of these. I want to do the ones with the questions because those are the ones with the pencil, sorry by them. Those are the ones specifically that I need to work on. If you pick one over here that's like this, it will have a movie with it that can show you how to do it if you get lost. So I come over here. I'm going to add all these up. There are a few things I can do to help me learn how to do this. To enter my answer, I would come down here and, I would probably grab a piece of paper and a pencil, work it out on the piece of paper, and then come over here and enter my answer right there. If I'm not sure how to do it, I can come to help me solve this. It will walk me through it. Notice that each of the digits is in the place to form a column. Then I push continue. I'm going to add one column at a time, and they show me how to do that. 6 plus 9 plus 2 plus 6 equals 23. So I put my 2 up there. I put my 3 down there. Then I continue. Then I'm going to add the next digit, and then it's asking me which one the sum of the digits in the tens column is. It's going to ask me which one that is. And so they can walk you through. I also can see an example, and they'll show me exactly how to do it. Or I can watch a video, which I'm not going to let this load, but it'll either be a video of a person teaching, or sometimes it's just the numbers moving. Okay, so those are the options you have to help you do that. When you're done with it, you're going to push, there's my answer, check answer. Wrong. That was done. I didn't get it right. So I can say check answer. If I don't want to do this problem any longer, I can move on to a different one. It's the same. Okay, so they're giving me all these kind of hard ones. Um, but you can do as many as you want. How you're going to get scored this week is you will get 60 points. Your assignments are usually worth 70 points. You will get 60 points to for completing the quiz or the pretest. You'll get 60 points for that, regardless of your score. You'll get 60 points, and then you will also get 10 points if you come and work on your study plan. So, if you just get in there and do one problem, probably not going to give you 10 points. But if you, spend 15 or 30 minutes in there, then you'll get your full 10 points. Extra, not extra, but to make up the rest of your assignment. So that is how it's going to work. If you have questions, you can email or call me or your teacher. And good luck.